In August of 2013, I was working for a very large financial institution. Due to the downturn of the market, I had lost my job. Maybe a few of you can relate right now, and maybe you are going through a difficult season. Today, I want to talk to you about giving and receiving and how we can overcome greed. I don't know about you guys, but during difficult seasons and times in our lives, it can be easy to hold on to what we have. We don't want to give. We don't want to give of our finances. We want to hold on to everything in our bank account because we're afraid. We're fearful of the future. So today I'm going to encourage you on how to be a cheerful giver even during difficult seasons, during difficult times, and how to overcome greed. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Hice with Frugal Living Network. I love sharing words of encouragement, financial wellness, simple living, and so much more. So let's dive in. What is greed? Greed is a space where we are wanting to hold on to our finances, our materialistic items, our time. Greed can come in a lot of different forms. But what is the opposite of greed? It's giving. It's giving from a cheerful heart, a mindset that we are trusting that our needs are going to be met. Our needs are going to be provided for. During some very difficult seasons in my life where I was unemployed, I was afraid to give sometimes. I was afraid of giving to the church or doing some tithing of income because I was like, oh man, how am I going to pay my bills? You know, I mean, there is balance. Don't get me wrong. If you are completely upside down, I think really God is going to be grace with you if you cannot completely give. But it is a space for you to trust that your needs are going to be met. When I was, like I said, unemployed, I had a little bit to give, not a lot, but I did give. And within the first couple of weeks of that, of giving, doors opened to some amazing jobs and side hustle jobs, and was just an inpouring of extra income. It was just such a blessing. There's so many practical ways that we can give. So today I wanted to share with you a couple of ways that we can do that. We can do that obviously by our financial means. If you are in a season where you are financially doing well, you've got your savings accounts doing good, don't have a lot of debt, and you're maybe in a season of retirement and you can give of your financial resources, I encourage you to do that. You can do that in ways of maybe giving to a church, a charity. Maybe you have a loved one that's going through difficult times, or even a friend that's going through hard times. There is so many ways that we can give of our financial means. Second, another way that we can give is definitely through volunteering. I don't know about you, when I've had some people help me out with moving or mentoring me or just giving of their time to help me maybe on a project that I had, it just filled me with such warmth and love and a feeling of joy. And I think that that's what happens to us also when we give of our time. Is there a charity or a person or maybe an organization that you can give of your time? This next couple days or weeks, maybe write down or ponder or research a couple of organizations that you can give of your time. It doesn't have to be 10 hours, even an hour. Maybe it's an organization that just tugs at your heart. For me, I'm usually drawn to, orphans and kids, outdoor ministry, definitely those people that are in need right now financially. So that's an opportunity. Thirdly, another way that you can give of giving to others is by food. Maybe you have extras in your pantry. There's a lot of food pantries out there in your community that could use your finances or your resources just through food. Maybe take a few moments, clean out your pantry, and drop off a bag of food to your local organization that's in your city, or go to the grocery store. Spend $25, $30, $40, whatever you can financially do. Pick up some groceries and take it to that pantry. It is such an amazing opportunity to help others out, especially when they're going through hard times. Another really great way to give is, I love this one, is decluttering your house, declutter your closet. Go through your items in your home and spaces, if it's decorating items, if it's blankets, if it's maybe some extra towels that you have, some bedding. I know multiple shoes that I know that are in my closet right now, and some clothing items that I can give. I actually have a big bag of clothes that I'm going to drop off to charity in just the next week or so. So that is a great way and a space for you to give, is decluttering and simplifying your house, as so many people are in need right now just of the basics. So that's a space that you can definitely be a cheerful giver. Another really great way to give to those in need is a meal. Maybe you have a friend who doesn't have a lot of extra income right now, or you know someone who just had a brand new baby. Or maybe you have a friend, or you know of a coworker or someone in your community or your church that is maybe a recent widow and they're lonely. A really great space to be able to give is taking a meal over to that individual. It just warms their heart and just makes them feel loved. It also is an opportunity to have a really great conversation with someone. A lot of times people that are going through difficult times and seasons are discouraged. They feel overwhelmed, and they maybe need just a words of encouragement, maybe just that hug, just feeling that they are known, that they are cared about, and also just a feeling that they are being provided for during difficult times. There's a ton of different Bible verses that you can go through and read and memorize on the subject of giving. I'll put these down below, but just a couple of them that you can put on maybe a flashcard that you can memorize is 2 Corinthians 9:7, Matthew 6:2. A lot of these are talking about just that being a cheerful giver, that giving should be out of love. Another one is 1 Corinthians 8:1-2. It's a really great story of, just that giving heart. And then Matthew 6:21. Those are a couple of Bible verses that I encourage you to check out. So today, I hope these are a couple of words of encouragement to help you in regards to the mindset around greed. I think it is so easy to be greedy sometimes, especially of our money, our time, and our resources, like I said before, out of fear, out of worry of the future, or we're just selfish. I think sometimes it can be about selfishness. We don't want to give up what we have. So, like I said, I hope these few words of encouragement of some ways that you can give of your resources, even during difficult seasons and times, is helpful. If you are new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber, and I will see you in the next video. You can also check me out over on Instagram. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.